AVPro Edge's 100-meter 444 HDMI extender kit goes far beyond sending audio-video signals over standard category cable. It can handle audio, video, power, control, Ethernet, audio return channel, and best of yet, KVM, or keyboard, video, mouse. This allows you to be working at your desk in your office, transition to a new setting to share what you have been working on, use the keyboard and mouse in that room to control the computer that is still in your office, simplifying the sharing process. This KVM application is a must-have for all schools and universities, conference and huddle spaces, construction and drafting businesses, stadiums and sports arenas, and much, much more. With today's advancements in technology, installing a KVM that is not ready for 4K or HDR can become a major hassle for your customer. Go with AVPro Edge's solution. Know that it's built to handle any variations of 4K and HDR. AVPro Edge's AC EX100 444 kit is sold everywhere you can find AVPro products. For more information, visit our website or give us a call.